All right, welcome back to 5 Day Crypto. My name is Jace. Today we're going to look at CHILIZ CHZ versus Tether by request, and just because I've been trading it as well. So let's go ahead and look at this. If you're clicked on this video, maybe you're invested in this, and this is going to be an eye-opening video. I hope. If you're in this, pay attention. There's some bigly things going on. So this is a great looking chart, at least on the daily scale, right? Major uptrend here. Our breakout level, right, that we were kind of consolidating in, over the summer. We kind of broke out of that right around 13 cents. There's your breakout candle, back test, right? Throwback to that breakout zone, and bounce and hold. That's a big sign that you're about to turn bullish in a big way, which CHZ followed suit. And so now we've broken out above all of our moving averages on the daily chart. This is your 8-day EMA, which, when you're in a bullish uptrend, you usually hold that. Even on, throwbacks, right? Tests usually hold. When you start to, move down to the next one, you might wonder what that one is. That's the 14-day, right? That holds, right? You'd like to have moving averages without super gaps in them. So sometimes you need something to fill in here. If you're just going on with 8 and 21, obviously you might wonder what the hell's going on. Why does it turn around there? Well, that's why. That's the 14. If you're not using the 14-day, I recommend doing so. Look at especially CHZ. CHILIZ likes to use that so far, but now look what's afoot here. We're now potentially today closing down through it for the first time since our trend started. So even 10 cents, right? That's a long time ago. Back in July is the last time we were really below that level. So when those things start to occur, you need to get the bigger picture in check here and see what's going on. So based on moving averages alone, you could see something is happening. Now, we've been down here before, so as long as we don't close under here, we're still a-okay, right? But if you got in back here, you like I said, pay attention. We might be about time to at least think about taking some profits, but we're approaching support. So until we break under that with a close, we're still okay. That number is just shy of 20 cents. So if we start to close under that 21-day, then the big warning signs, right? The hurricane flags need to be going up. Storm is approaching. Now, let's zoom out to a bigger picture and see if we got anything else afoot here. You can see right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 green weeks in a row. Pretty impressive. Now, are we going to finally turn red? Well, we still have 5 days, 10 hours to go, but with each passing hour, each passing day, this is likely becoming more and more likely that we're coming down to at least test the 8-week EMA, which currently around 17 cents. The 21-week is right around there too for now. But what is this candle and why is it concerning? Well, the previous 2 weeks, the trend is showing signs of exhaustion because the wicks are longer on the top. You don't really want to see that on a bigger picture. And this candle right here last week is now it confirmed because it closed. How do you confirm a candle? It's closed, right? It's not whatever candle you think it is until it closes. This one closed last week, and this is a shooting star candle. Shooting stars are bearish, certainly on the weekly, and often marks, more often than not, the top of a trend. So throwing that out there, love it or hate it, that is a shooting star candle printed on the weekly. The odds of you continuing up after that are much less than going down. So just throwing that out there. Also, we have more to back up our thesis. Let's get out to the bigger picture. The monthly. Where do you suppose we are on the monthly? What do you suppose that moving average is? We're right at monthly resistance on the EMA 8. The warning flags need to be going. You should have some red lights going off in your head right now. You're 10 green weekly candles in a row. Monthly candle is in at major first level resistance that it's seen ever, right? It doesn't have many moving averages on the monthly because it's not that old, but we're at the first major resistance on the monthly after a key breakout, right? So we might need some cool off time because we've gotten bullish in a hurry. But since opening, what trend are you in, right? So coming into major resistance on the monthly. This isn't the 4-minute chart. This is big. This is bigly. Okay. So if you're in this and you're in profit, not financial advice, but be smart here. Okay. 10 green weeks in a row, printed weekly shooting star pattern. I would say we're at least going back to here, 17 cents. So maybe if you're into shorting or you're into, maybe you made money here on going long, right? Maybe you bought at 10 cents or even down here. Kudos to you. Take some profits. Maybe think about entering a short and getting more profits, right? You don't, just because things go down doesn't mean you have to lose money, especially when you're seeing the bigly stuff happening here, right? 10 green weeks in a row, shooting star pattern on the weekly. I'm laying out the evidence on a golden plate. I don't think that's the slogan, but there you go. So nothing against Chiliz, right? I don't care about the projects, right? I care about the price. That's what you should be caring about. If you're in it to make money, hello, right? Just watch the charts, follow the best trading charts, and use that. Why wouldn't you, right? Why wouldn't you follow the money, right? Here's the money for the short potential, right? That's a lot of money you can make shorting here. I'm thinking at least 15% down over the next 1 to 2 weeks. So it doesn't mean we have to go there this week, right? But maybe you print something down here, then you go down next week, right? And then we'll see. Then we'll kind of reevaluate. You want to always be weighing bull evidence and bear evidence, and then going with whoever has the more evidence, right? That's all you need to do to be a successful trader. You don't want to be biased because you got married to a coin, right? That's how you lose money, and maybe some of you got experience with that. Follow the money, follow the charts, right? This has been awesome to make money with over the past months, right? Now might be time to flip that and jump, get off your bull and catch a bear, right? All right, I'll leave you with that one for Chiliz. Maybe we'll start doing altcoins of the day to help you all out. I realize I've been making Bitcoin videos, but I realize it's boring, right? I bore myself. Not a whole lot of action, so maybe we'll just spice it up with Chiliz, and maybe a couple of altcoins here and there as I see fit. I mean, this is it's text. I want a textbook short opportunity here. Not saying the next 4 minutes we have to go down, right? But the evidence of a trend reversal on the horizon in the coming days and weeks. So that is that, as they say. I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully someone found some benefit to this somewhere, somehow. Otherwise, you just saw a blue video with a chain link sign and some cars. You stopped watching long ago, and I'm still rambling, and just hit the stop button.